let's go see what kind of adventure we have here today. I'm rolling around with some great folks right now, and let's see where that adventure takes us. Adventure if you can. Alright, apparently this is really cold. We'll find out. Woo. Oh, here we go. Oh my god, that's cold. Woo! Woo! That was some fun flying. Very, very, very windy, but I thought that came out pretty good. All right, let's see where we're going next. This fancy thing, all 4 tires at once. Isn't that cool? All right, all aired up and time to go get that very important thing. Food. Let's go.
It's weird.
Food.
Not too bad. Crispy bacon.
All right, that delicious fish and chips, you know, because it was really good. And then look, I found this sweatshirt. I thought it was lost. Just a random thought, because I was thinking about that earlier. I was like, where's that sweatshirt? I found it. All right, we are on our way to the next campsite as I travel with some folks, which is very fun. And let's go find out where that is. Getting our passes here.
Number of days.
2.
2.
Tear down all the trucks. So we just found this guy in the parking lot to let us know if you're going to park in the sand dunes out here in Oregon, you need an ATV permit for your truck, which is $10 for 3 years. Not bad at all. So now we got that all situated, let's go find some sand. All right, we made camp with this fantastic sunset. All the cars are setting up. And it's just a great time. But now, because all days end in Y, it's time for exercise. Let's go. What an exciting day today. Got to play on the sand more than once. Finally found this fantastic and wonderful beachfront property that'll be home for 2 days. So I'm gonna go set up the camera outside, hopefully get some stars, and then I'll catch you guys up in the morning. Until then, good night. Good morning. Our star is excellent. It's a little chilly here. It's around 60. So beautiful. Let's get this day started. Some meetings and breakfast. So there was this big fly that was in the window that was stuck up there, and it just fell into the pan. I am totally starting over just because that's gross. I'm sizzling one less fly. Not too bad beachfront property for $5 a day here. Really good, huh? Oh, so drone up there. The dogs are very excited about drones. And hopefully all of us are too. Drones are cool. I just don't want to eat one. Alright, so time to get some more work done and maybe walk on the beach or something. Let's find out. It's cold here. It's 63 degrees. But it's a really nice view. Run! Run! You too. Run! Oh, you got a stick.
I feel like that GX was near us,
So we were just walking down the beach, and I turned around, and there was a flipped over side-by-side that we noticed no one was moving on them. So we ran up to it, and there was a guy trapped inside. So we had a bunch of people pushed it over and got the paramedics. This guy was not wearing a helmet. His head did not get injured, but his arm definitely got tore up. So I guess he was trying to say during this part, wear a helmet. He got lucky. And lucky some of us were here to pull him out. Alright, that was very exciting and definitely scary for him. Let's continue this journey.
Hey! Are you in your happy place?
Alright, we're back from the that fun walk ×2, and we're gonna sit around and talk about where we're going next. Not tonight, but tomorrow.
We're gonna creep that.
Did you steal the seat? Did you steal the seat?
Pie is good.
So it's that time of the day ends in Y for push-ups. Let's do some.
Huh?
What?
This whole time.
Push-ups?
Push-up time?
Who said push-ups?
Push-ups!
Let's do some push-ups.
I'm not doing push-ups.
All right, we're gonna do some pull-ups next to some pants. Let's do pull-ups. All right, we're gonna try for night number 2 and hopefully get the ocean with the stars. Those stars were pretty good. I mean, it's pretty dark here. Didn't get the Milky Way because the clouds came in to say hello. That's all right, we got it the night before, right? So today, July 3rd, gonna do some work and then we're gonna go find somewhere else to adventure that's not this fantastic beach. Let's get this day started. All right, work day is about wrapped up here. Just closing down camp. It's very windy, but extremely beautiful location. And we're gonna find out what's next. So let's turn out camp. That was the most difficult time I've ever had getting that thing closed in this wind. But it's worth it. It's so beautiful. Let's take one last look at the ocean. So we'd all just gone down this big hill. I didn't get on a video because I was driving it. But maybe think about, like, do I want to do that again with the only house I have? I decided no. The others went up further to play, and I think I'm gonna stay down here and eat an apple. So, you know, I guess that's just choices we all make for what position we are in life. This nomad wanted to choose a little easier path for this moment and drive. And then we'll keep going. All right, it's that best time of the trip, you know. We could take showers. Natalie found us a sweet place, $5. That's really good. Last time we took a shower was 15. I mean, that's the last time we took a shower. The last time we took a shower at a campground, 15. So it's time to go get cleaned up. See some cool stuff everywhere. Look at this thing. Oh yeah, and if you really want to know about pizza, go to Committed to the Pizza. It has been decided that we're going to go look at the Tillamook Cheese Factory. Never been there. Let's go see this big thing of fancy cheese.
Đang nữa.
Looks like they're doing a cleanup real quick, so I might get a like shift change.
That's how cheese is made. And that's the cheese factory. Hopefully the little bit that I tried, I will not pay for later. Back into the forest we go. Well, all right, this beautiful and fantastic campsite has been set up. We're gonna get some grub going and then play cards. Doesn't that sound fun? It's really pretty here. Well, now that that fun card game is over and Avis is winning, but we're not done yet. It's getting dark, so let's go put this up on the roof and see what kind of amazing stars are in this very non-light polluted area. Good morning. Stars are pretty good. Definitely more light pollution than I was expecting. But still, you know, I got to see the Milky Way over some pretty stars. Happy 4th of July. It's really great to be able to be free and in a beautiful place. I hope you guys enjoyed part 2 of this series, The Adventure in Pacific Northwest. And I'm going to close this right now and catch you guys on the next one. Bye.